Meeting, will the board clerk take the roll, please?
District 1, Barbara McQuinn. Here. District 2, Chuck Shaw. Here. District 3, Karen Brill. Here. District 4, Erica Whitfield. Here. District 5, Frank Barbieri.
Here.
District 6, Marcia Andrews.
Here.
District 7, Deborah Robinson.
All right, we have all 7 board members present. Mr. Superintendent, have you any items that you are withdrawing?
No, sir, there are no items that I'm withdrawing.
Any board member want to pull any of the items from consent? None. Need a motion to approve the agenda?
So moved.
Motion by Mr. Shaw, second by Mrs. Andrews. All in favor? All opposed? Motion carries 7-0. Any disclosures or abstentions? None. All right. We need a motion to approve the consent agenda. Motion by Mrs. McQuinn, seconded by Mrs. Whitfield. Any discussion? All in favor, all opposed, motion carries. We need a motion to adjourn. This is by Andrews, Mrs. Whitfield, all in favor, all opposed, meeting's adjourned. All right. General Counsel.